Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if the call recording feature is not showing up on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and now the call recording feature is not showing, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can enable call recording feature on your iPhone device if you have updated it to the latest version iOS 18. So now let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone device, then scroll it down, then tap on general, then tap on soft update. And first of all, here you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you are not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18.1 because call recording feature only available in iOS 18.1. Then after that, go back again, and here you'll have to again open setting, then scroll down, then here you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. So after that, here you'll have to scroll down, and here you'll have to search for a phone app. So here you'll have to search for a phone app. Here is phone app. You will need to tap on this. Then after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you will have to scroll down, and here you will find the option of call recording feature. So here you can see that call recording feature is available in my iPhone device after updating my iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.